Welcome to the Shop by Marine Innovations. In today's episode, we're sitting down with owner Mike Botzet to take a behind-the-scenes look at what happens after a customer purchases a Tram. We'll discuss the craftsmanship that goes into every system, how long our Trams really last, and why so many customers trust Marine Innovations for their Hillside access needs. We'll also explore how the next generation of the Botzet family is helping shape the future of the company. This is The Shop by Marine Innovations.
My name's Michael Botzet. I'm owner of Marine Innovations. We get all the information in, and the first thing we start is the drawings, get them all developed, send them out to the state, and then basically we package up the stuff that has ordered and ready to ship. Well, it's probably been a couple thousand systems. One system about a little over 30 years ago I installed. We just got a call. An excavator was over and pulled some main power out of it, so we got a call. But it's been in for 35 years and running. We like to let our customers know that safety is a very important thing. We usually explain how the system works, information that, and all the backups that are involved in putting a system together. My son Nick's been a very great help and a good asset to the company. On sales, he has new ideas. He has a little more construction background from his previous job, so it's been a really good asset for us.